From 100, I'm getting a number 99. So it is called what? It is what called, whenever you are subtracting a number, it is called what? A pre-number predecessor. Any doubt till successor, predecessor, what are whole numbers, what are natural numbers? Okay. You tell me, if I write 0, if I write 2, then if I write 4, then if I write 6. And in one case, I'm writing 1, and case 3 and 5 and 7. So, can you tell me which is the whole number? Which is the sequence of whole number? 0 or 1? 0, 2, 4, 6?
0.
0 to 6. 0 to 6.
0 to 6, sir.
1, 3, 5, 7 will come under what? Natural number or whole number?
Natural numbers.
Okay. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay.
No doubt.
Question. Next question. Ready for that?
Sir, natural number.
Natural number. Okay. If I'm giving you number 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
0. अच्छा चुप.
Okay. How many zeros are there?
14.
14. I just want to ask, what is 10 minus 1?
9.
9.
Yeah, everyone started writing that whole zero.
9.
Yes, yes, yes. Acha, okay.
The
Okay.
14 zeros.
That's
Big number.
I just wanted,
9.
okay, I just wanted this question. 10 minus 1, 9. Okay. Okay, what is the predecessor of number 9, 9, 8?
997.
What is the predecessor of 1.004?
Sir, 1.003.
1.003.
1.003.
No, 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 no.
0.04.
Yeah, 0.004. Who said it?
Sir, me.
What's the name, beta?
I first typed it in the chat box.
Very good, beta. Very good. Very good. Great. Good, beta. Very good. Okay. Should I ask you one more question? Do you know
Yes, sir.
integers? Do you know integers minus 0.1 like this?
Yes.
Acha, okay, chalo, let it be. I'll ask you one question. 2.4. Okay. What is the successor? What is the successor of 2.4?
3.4.
2.5.
3.4.
3.4.
3.4.
आपको वो पॉइंट से कोई मतलब नहीं है. आपको वो पॉइंट में क्या करना है, सिर्फ यहाँ पे 1 जोड़ना है. यहाँ पे पॉइंट के बाद 0 ही रहेगा. Either it is plus or either it is minus. You don't need to worry. You need to only see this part only before the point part. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Great. Just I need to see your screen. How many of you turn on the camera? Okay. My next question is for 50 likes. How much?
50 lakhs.
Okay. See
lakhs.
what you are able to.
50 lakhs, sir.
I can't see your screen.
Yeah, I've switched on my. You are able to see me now?
Yes, sir. Yes,
How many numbers are there?
Yes,
How
sir.
many numbers are there? How many numbers are there?
4.
4.
Can you see now 4 and plus 2 my eyes? 4 plus 2 my eyes, 6. 6 minus my nose. How much it?
5.
5.
5. Good. 4 numbers, 2 eyes, minus 1, 5. Good.
5.
Ready for next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Enjoying the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did
Sir.
sir told you about the whole number properties like closure property? Did he told you in the last class?
Yes, sir. Only the closure property, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division
Okay. So we'll go with the
are
basics.
possible.
Property is
Okay.
possible in addition,
Yeah. Now tell me, what is 24 plus 6?
24. 30, sir.
30.
This is
30.
this is called as addition property. Okay.
30.
24 minus 6.
Sir,
18.
18. Sir, 18.
This is called as
18.
subtraction property. This is called as sub.
18.
Okay. 4 into 6. 4 multiplied by 6.
24.
24.
24.
What is that property? That property used?
Multiplication.
Multiplication property.
Okay. 24 divided by 6.
Good afternoon, sir. 4.
Sir,
4.
This is
Four.
this is what
Division property.
so this all properties you will be needing now to do all the closure property. Are you ready for that? Should we move on?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Great. Okay. Second, the name of the second properties that is known as commutative property. What is the name of that?
Commutative property.
Commutative.
Property.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
can you show the upper part?
you just want to take screenshot, beta?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I'll send the PDF to you. Okay, or that's in the class group. Done?
Yes, sir.
Commutative property. Okay, great.
Sir, can you
Yes, beta?
Sir, can you send the PDF to me?
Yeah, definitely. Now see, whole numbers, we need to take only whole numbers. So whole numbers start from where?
0. So 0.
1, 2, 3.
So this
Okay.
starts from zeros.
Okay,
It
Zara,
starts from 0.
Zara,
Yes, sir.
ready for the question?
Yes, sir.
If you don't answer, then I'll give you punishment. What punishment you know? You need to answer more 2 questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Given, sir?
Yes, beta.
Nothing, sir.
First property. What was the first property we studied here? I told you what is that first property?
Closure property.
Addition.
Closure property.
I'm telling about I'm asking you.
Addition.
Addition.
Take any 2
So in closure property, first we have done addition.
Yeah.
Addition.
Addition.
Property is closure property, and in that we have learned addition.
Okay. In addition, you tell me take any 2 whole numbers.
Sir, 6 and 8.
6 plus 8.
And
8
6
plus,
and
what is
4.
6 plus 8?
The whole numbers.
14.
14.
14.
Okay, this is the first step. This is
Can
the
I also get Sai
First step.
Bittle?
yeah. Now, in second step, reverse the numbers. Reverse the number? This will come first, and second, this one. Now, add them. Both add them. 8 plus 6,
14.
14.
14.
So, this is the first part. I got the same result. The second part, I got the same result. Means, in addition, called commutative properties. Hello,
Are same only.
same. Commutative properties same in the case of addition. Second property. What is the second property?
Subtraction.
Subtraction.
Fraction. Okay, ready for that? Okay. First step. Take any 2 numbers.
Sir, 5 and 7.
5, 7.
5 plus 7.
Five and
No, I need to do subtraction.
7 plus
7
7
minus
minus
5.
5. 7 minus 5.
7 minus 5. What is 7
The
minus
two
5?
answer will be
Sir, 2.
2 answer.
2. Not possible.
7 minus
Not
5 will be 2.
2.
Second step. Now, I'm taking first, reverse the number.
5
Reverse the
minus 2.
5
5
7.
minus 7.
अगर हमने
5 minus 7.
किसी भी नंबर को
So it is
किसी भी
not
नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया और उस
applicable.
नंबर को उल्टा कर दिया तो प्रोडक्ट
think
आंसर
you have
सेम ही
written
रहेगा.
so it's not applicable.
Okay. Yeah, wait. Very good, Tanmay. Very good, Diksha. Wait. Now see. Plus 5 minus 7. Who is greater? Minus 7. So you'll get minus
Yes,
2.
sir.
You'll get minus 2. Now, this is plus 2 and this is minus 2. Are they both the same or not?
No, sir.
No, sir, that is minus 2 and that is plus 2.
So we got what? We cannot.
Plus means adding and subtract, and minus means decreasing.
So we cannot subtract. We cannot subtract two whole numbers in any order. We
Yes.
cannot subtract any two whole numbers in any order. Is it clear? But we can do
Yes,
the
sir.
addition or not. We can do the addition or not. We can do the addition part.
Yes, sir, in addition we can do.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir, we can do
by
addition.
your own. I just want you to do you by own. Now, third property, multiplication is the third property. Multiplication is the
Box.
third property. First step, take any two numbers.
9 and 12.
12 and 13.
6 and 10.
14.
Sir, 9 and 3.
Small numbers. Take
Sir,
small
9
numbers.
and 3.
Sir, 12.
9 and 3.
9 and 3.
Okay.
9 and 5.
9 into 3.
27.
27.
Now,
Sir,
do the second step by your own. And tell me the answer.
3 multiplied by 9 is also 27.
Multiplied by 9.
Applicable.
27. It is applicable.
Great.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
it's
yes, beta.
applicable.
Same.
Somebody logged my chat box.
Yeah, I didn't get you. Just a minute. They are not the same. Number 6. KBC. Okay. Okay. Yeah, any doubt? Yeah, tell me. What happened?
Sir, anybody logged my chat box?
Who did it?
Sir,
Okay.
my chat box is not working. I can't send messages.
Okay, you tell me orally then. No issues. Okay, Akshita?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is multiplication, can we multiply two whole numbers in any order? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
can,
We
sir.
can.
we do the addition of two whole numbers? Is it possible under commutative
sir.
property? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Subtraction?
Yes, sir.
Subtraction?
It's
No, sir.
applicable.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Multiplication?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Multiplication, yes, sir.
Same case. Now, last property, division. Take two any numbers. Take two any number whole numbers.
24 and 4.
Take 24 divided by 12.
Yes, 24.
Sir, 12.
Okay, now
Sir,
Sir, 2 types.
Sir, 2.
2.
Its answer is 2.
Second step. Reverse the number. 12.
Sir, we can't do
No,
this.
sir, we cannot do
We
this.
can't do this.
Yes, sir.
Now, my question is can we do division of two any whole numbers in same order? Yes or
No,
no?
sir. No, sir.
No.
So,
Sir.
addition, yes. Subtraction, no. Multiplication, yes. Division, no. Please note it down. Then,
Yes.
Sir, it will be 0.5.
yeah, but 0.5, but it will be same or not? They are both, this is different and this is different now. So, it's not possible. Any doubt, beta? Shanvi, Sanskar, Diksha,
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
are you enjoying the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very much.
ठीक है चलो I'll give you LBC now. लखपति बनेगा करोड़पति. I'll just give a question to you now. Okay, switch on your cameras, turn on your cameras, everyone, please. Vibhuti, Arya, Arnav, Avani, Preeti, Gauram, Jigyansh, Sapna. Why you're turning off your camera? You're such a cute and you're means आप लोग भगवान दिख रहे हैं मुझे तो. You have seen the God? Okay. Jokes apart, welcome to the topic.
Sir, can't start my video because my camera is not detected.
Okay, no issues. So now this I first we studied about closure property. Then we
Okay,
studied about
sir.
which property.
Commutative property.
Commutative property.
Now we will
Commutative
study
property.
associative property.
Commutative
Associative property. Yes.
Associative.
associative
Now
property.
in that four parameters are there. What are the first parameter? Addition,
Subtraction.
Subtraction,
And subtraction,
multiplication and division.
Subtraction and multiplication and
and for
division.
division.
And division.
ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Okay, tell me, addition, does the addition of two whole numbers comes in the same order, yes or no? In
Addition
commutative
in
property.
two
In commutative
numbers.
property. In commutative property.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Division. Division. Division.
No, sir.
No.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, what is the third property we need to study? What was closure? One was
Great.
distributive. Finish?
Associative property.
Associative.
Associative.
Till now,
Associative.
we took only two numbers. Now we need to take
Two
Two
numbers.
numbers.
how
Three
many?
numbers.
Three.
Three
Three.
numbers.
Three. Okay. Now, take any first subcategory. Take any three numbers. Tell me first number. But only
Two,
one.
four,
5.
Two,
3, 4, 5.
two,
Two, 4, 5.
2
4,
plus
5.
3. Okay, plus 5. So what you need to do? आपको पहले तीन नंबर लेना है, कोई भी three numbers you have to choose. You need to keep the two numbers in the bracket. That is 2 plus 3.
3.
Now then, ये तीसरा वाला number. So first you need to solve this A part and then you need to solve this B part. So tell me 2 plus 3,
5.
5. Then come to the B part. 5 plus 5,
10.
10.
good, great. Now reverse the number.
Sir, it will be 10 only. 5 plus 5.
Just wait. What you need to do? You just need
10 only.
wait. This is step 1. Step 2, what you need to do? You need to just remove the bracket. 2 plus पहले ये दोनों थे, अब ये दोनों को. ठीक है?
सर अगर नंबर सेम
कोई दिक्कत नहीं. कोई no issue.
उन्हें
No
उल्टा किया
So the answer will be
तो
same.
आंसर सेम ही होगा.
Same. 2 plus 8 will be 10. So my question: Does addition for addition of three whole numbers, will it be grouped in a same manner? Yes or no?
Yes,
आपका
sir.
answer is
Yes, sir.
So the answer will be same.
Sir, the answer is same, but the writing way is different.
Yeah,
Yes.
very good. Subtraction. Now coming to the subtraction. Take any three number. Decide करो जल्दी मैं 10 सेकंड दे रहा हूँ.
9, 6, 5.
9, 6, 7.
जरा. Just wait. Should I start now?
Yes, sir.
Akshita, ready for the answering? Okay, I took first number 7 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, and then this is the first step I did. Second step, you need to do it. You need to tell me. First, take out the answer of first step. What is the answer? 7 minus 3.
4.
4 minus 2.
4.
2.
2.
Answer is 2.
Minus 2.
Answer is 2.
Only 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Not minus 2. Second, change the bracket. 7 minus 3 minus 2.
7 minus 3 minus 2.
First, solve this.
Sir, the answer will be not same.
First, solve the bracket.
Sir, 2.
The answer will be not same.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Answer will be not
Answer
same.
will be not same.
Answer will be not same, sir.
So,
The
can we
answer will be not same.
regroup the numbers in whole numbers under addition subtraction property? True or false?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
sir.
Not possible.
False.
False. Third property.
Tawba.
Can you do for multiplication? I'm giving you three numbers. You need to tell me they can be regrouped in the case of multiplication. Okay, I'm giving you three numbers. And second step, you need to solve by your own, and you need to do it fast. What is 2 into 1?
Sir, answer is
Solve
8.
the bracket
2. Yeah, solve the
And
bracket
then
first.
2.
2 2s of 2 4s are 8.
and then multiply with 4. Multiply with 4.
8.
8.
Now reverse the bracket.
So the answer is 8.
And then reverse
The
the
answer is same.
It is applicable.
answer will be
applicable.
same. Answer
The
will
answer
be
will be same only.
Answer will be same.
Sir, it's applicable.
So
Sir,
for
it is applicable.
yeah, it is applicable. They can be regrouped. They can be regrouped in the multiplication property. Any problem till here?
No.
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 No,
How
sir.
many money you want if you gave the right answer? 50 lakhs, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs?
50
just one
lakhs.
category. बेटा जीरो उसमें पता नहीं कितने
50 billion.
Sir,
Okay.
20 lakh.
Okay, yeah.
So what's
Should I-
the meaning of specters?
I didn't get you, beta. What you said?
What is the meaning of specters?
Sir, he is asking sector. Sector. That
Sector.
arc, chord, chord, and sector.
बेटा अभी नहीं है ना वो, अभी कहाँ से पढ़ेंगे? Current, it is not the current topic. We'll tell you. Yeah, Tanmay is ready to answer. Yeah, Tanmay, are you ready? What is the fourth property? Addition is done, subtraction is done, multiplication. What is the fourth property then?
Division.
Division.
Division, sir.
Okay.
The division.
Step 1. Take any three numbers. Take any three numbers. Three whole numbers only.
Sir,
4,
sir,
6.
2, 6, 8.
2, 6.
268.
268.
Okay, sir.
Okay, do one thing. I'm giving you the same thing. You need to do like this. Okay. Okay. Step number 1. Take like this, huh? Okay, wait. 6 divided by 2 divided
Sir,
by
I can't hear you properly, sir.
6 divided by 2, bracket closed, divided by 4. Second step, you need to rearrange it and you need to tell me, they can be regrouped in the division property of associative? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Sir, can't understand.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, what you're telling, I
Can't understand the
can't hear you
division one.
properly,
No,
sir.
sir.
I'm not here. I'm not able to. I'm not audible to you.
No, sir, you are audible.
Sir, you are audible.
Wait. See, I took a number.
Can you?
I took a number, 3 numbers. 12, 4, and then 8. See, 12 divided by 4. How much it will be?
3.
Sir,
3.
3.
3.
Akshit. What's the name? What was that name? Okay, and 3 is not it's not possible. You need to go to point.
No,
Division one.
Not possible. Reverse the
Can't
number.
understand division.
Reverse the number. It is not possible in this case also. So can we regroup the division?
Sir, can't.
No, sir, we can. This is not applicable for division.
It is not applicable for division. Yeah.
Sir, can't understand this division one.
Okay. बेटा एक बात बताओ, आपको 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 कितना होता है? 3 होता है.
3.
6 डिवाइडेड बाय 2.
3.
ओके, गुड. नाउ आपको 3 नंबर लेना है कोई भी. जैसे मैंने क्या लिया, 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 डिवाइडेड बाय वेट जस्ट मिनट. Now, first you need to solve the bracket part. Solve it. 12 divided by 2. 6. Then 6 divided by 3.
2.
2.
Sir, it is 2.
Okay, now you understood the first step.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what you need to do in second step, you don't need to change the number, only need to check the bracket. Which will be the first number? 12 divided by bracket divided. Okay. Is 2 divided by 3 possible?
No, sir, it is not.
No,
possible.
sir, it's not possible. It is meaning.
No, sir.
So division is not possible under this property. Smith,
It's
doubt?
not applicable.
It's not
Associative
applicable.
property.
Okay. Second. Now, tell me, we studied about the first property. What is the first property? That was closure property. What is that first property?
Closure.
Plus
Closure. Second property?
Commutative property.
communicative.
Sir, subtraction.
Okay.
property.
Third property. What we studied?
Associative property.
Associative
Associate property.
Associative property.
Associative property.
Okay. What are the sub properties? You tell me. Addition, subtraction.
Addition.
Subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Division.
In closure property, does the addition property holds? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Sir, will you send this?
Yes.
You have
I'll send you. Yeah, I'll send you. Subtraction. Does the subtraction property
No.
holds in closure?
No. No.
No.
Multiplication,
Yes.
Yes.
division.
No.
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 How many numbers were used in commutative? 2 or 3?
2.
Two.
Addition. Does
numbers.
addition property holds under commutative?
Yes.
Subtraction?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
No.
No.
It will be no.
Multiplication?
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Division?
No.
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 Associative, how many numbers we used?
3.
3.
Three.
Sir, 3.
Addition?
3.
Addition can we do?
Yes.
Yes, sir. It's
Subtraction?
applicable. Yes, sir.
No. No.
No, sir.
Division?
So. Yes.
Yes.
No, sir.
No.
Okay. Any doubt till here? The last property, this is known as
sir.
distributive property. What is
sir.
that known as?
No, sir.
Distributive.
Distributive property.
Distributive.
What are the 4 properties? Addition, subtraction,
Subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Multiplication, division.
same thing. You need to take now in distribution. What we need to do? Okay, we need to find out we can distribute the multiplication or subtraction. Is it possible or not? Okay. Now in the case of see, take 3 numbers. 5 plus 9 I have taken and into 6. Tell me the number. Tell me the answer. See, now what you need to do? Just note it down. First step. Step number 1. First step. Please note it down very carefully. You just need to. You don't need to go through this addition, subtraction, multiplication like this. Now. No. You don't need to do calculation. Just wait. Listen it properly. Okay. Step number 1. You having 2 numbers, A plus B, multiplied by third number, that is C. What happens in this case? It happens like
Sir,
will be shared by
time
this.
is up.
Okay, just a minute.
A
A into C plus B into C.
Teach.
Okay. So in this case, 6 will go to 5 also and 6 will go to 9 also. So it will be like 6 into 5 plus 6 into
6
9.
into 9.
6
Like this.
into 9.
Again, I'm doing like this. 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. So it will be like 4 into 2 plus 4 into 3.
3.
So it is known as, distribute the multiplication. Yeah, what did you say? Multiplication or addition. We can say this property as multiplication.
Or addition.
or addition. So the 5 plus 9 multiplied by 6, the answer is 84.
No, I don't want the answer. Just wait. What you need to learn focus on that part. You tell me about this. 4 plus 5 multiplied by 10.
So 10 into 5 plus 10 into 4.
5 plus 4, 10 into 4.
4.
So 3 into 6 plus 3 into 18.
3 into 6 plus 3 into
3 into 6 plus 3 into 18. So
This was the property known as multiplication or addition. What is the property known as multiplication or addition? Oh, I'll just take 2 minutes more. Okay, wait. Okay, now same case. This was the addition. You do the subtraction now. 18 minus 6 multiplied by 3. Yeah,
So here the multiplication sign is compulsory.
yeah, compulsory.
So 3 minus 6.
No. First share the number. This, then this. First step. 3 into 18 minus 3 into 6.
Minus
Like
3
this.
into 6.
Got it? This is known as
Yes.
multiplication or subtraction. What it is known as?
Multiplication and
Multiplication and subtraction.
Or subtraction. Okay? Now. Tell me. Are you ready for the question? It's a question
Yes,
for
sir.
50 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
It's ready in the bank account. मिला तो ठीक, नहीं मिला तो मुझे वापस देना. 9 minus 5 multiplied by 4. Tell me.
Sir, 4 multiplied by 5 minus 4 multiplied by 5.
4 multiplied by 9
Okay.
minus 4 multiplied by 5.
Multiplied by 5.
Okay, 18 minus 6 multiplied by 2.
2 multiplied by 18 minus 2 multiplied by 6.
So you got this property, multiplication or addition and multiplication or subtraction. You
Yes,
understood?
subtraction.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
yes, sir.
only in multiplication and addition, in addition and subtraction case, it is the property which is can hold. We can say multiplication over addition can be done and multiplication over subtraction can be done. But it is not possible in the case of division.
Yes,
In the case of division.
Division.
Okay. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Only remember,
No, sir.
I'll just not explain because of the timing. So you remember, we cannot do the multiplication over division property. Okay, distributive of multiplication only holds on two things: addition and
Subtraction.
distributive of multiplication only holds under two properties, that's known as addition and subtraction. Done.
Yes,
Sir, are you also going to take this topic tomorrow?
Yeah, I will take it. Don't you want to earn money in KBC?
Yes. Sir.
Then be ready for tomorrow. Acha, I'll give you one homework. I'll give you one homework. Beta, what is it? Arnav?
Property and closure property are same.
Yeah, both are related to that only. But you need to understand how when we have to use two numbers and when we have to use three numbers. In associative, how many numbers we were using? 2 or 3? Associative.
3.
3,
Sir, 3.
In subtraction.
2.
2.
Okay. Distributive property.
3.
3.
3.
So just go through this all the parts. You need to write in a copy. You need to just practice and if possible send it to me. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye, sir.
Good night. Bye bye.
Good night, sir.